Every day, there seems to be a new AI assistant saying it can build your software with a single click. From what we hear, many developers today jump straight into coding without a clear idea of where the project is headed. That is the mistake that keeps happening. Planning is often skipped before a system is built. To show a smarter way forward, we want to introduce Verdent. Verdent is an AI agent designed for agentic coding, and we are specifically looking at its plan mode. What really matters here is not just generating code, but changing how you approach thinking and planning a project from the start. In this video, we are going to put Verdent to work and find out if it can help us build a project management system that is stable, well-structured, and free from unnecessary errors. Our journey begins with a common scenario, a vague, fuzzy idea. We tell Verdent that we want to build a comprehensive project management software with real-time collaboration. In a typical AI chat, the bot would immediately start generating files, but that is where the errors usually begin. Instead, we switch on plan mode, and Verdent stops us. It enters a clarification phase, refusing to move forward until the foundation is solid. On the screen, you can see Verdent identifying gaps we didn't even realize existed. It asks us to define the core user flow. Is this a web app or a desktop tool? How should we handle data storage? It even prompts us on specific logic, like whether tasks should have nested subtasks or if the chat should be globally accessible. By forcing us to answer these interactive questions now, Verdent ensures we aren't guessing our way through the build. This phase turns our messy thoughts into a structured vision, preventing that inevitable wall of errors that happens when you skip day one decisions. Once the requirements are clear, we move into the actual planning stage, where Verdent separates itself from every other tool. Most AI assistants follow a single path of logic, which is often biased or limited. Verdent, however, orchestrates several high-level models like Claude, Perplexity, and Gemini to brainstorm our task manager simultaneously. You can see these models offering different perspectives on how to structure our database and manage the app's state. What makes this exploration even deeper is the use of plan rules. For our case study, we can toggle our role to front-end developer, and the plan immediately prioritizes component hierarchy and user interface flow. This multi-perspective approach results in a blueprint that is balanced and ready for real-world complexity, allowing us to choose the most stable path before a single line of code is written. Okay, so moving to the next phase, let's see what's coming. We all know that looking at a massive wall of text can be exhausting, and it makes it very hard to follow complex logic. To solve this, Verdent uses a canvas to turn those discussions into visual diagrams that you can understand at a single glance. It creates flowcharts for things like how a user logs in or how data moves through the system. It builds sequence diagrams to show the order of API calls and architecture diagrams to show how different modules depend on each other. This visual side of things is very effective because it allows you to see the big picture before you start building. When you combine this with the one-click build feature, you can move from an idea to execution without feeling lost. While you are looking at the canvas, you can select any part of the plan to bring up the AI bar. If a certain step looks confusing, you can ask it to explain it. If you don't like how a section is written, you can tell it to rewrite it on the spot. The whole process is interactive, so you can always make changes. This is why we believe we are looking at a new generation of how we write code. Planning is usually the hardest part for any developer, but here it becomes a natural part of the flow. It's not about making things more complicated, it's about helping you think things through so that everything that follows is easier and more predictable. It takes away the stress of the unknown and lets you focus on the joy of creating something new. When your plan is right, the code follows much more naturally. Moving into the final stage of our project, the plan mode has finished its work and it's time for the agent mode to take over. Now that we have a complete plan with the right workflow, the AI starts actually writing the code and assembling the pieces of our project management tool. Because the plan was so detailed, the building process is much smoother than usual. The agent knows exactly where each piece of data goes and how the front end should talk to the back end. After the building process is complete, we can step back and look at the final software. We see a a project management tool that has a clear user flow, a strong database structure, and the specific features we requested during the clarification phase. When we analyze how it works, we can see the direct impact of that initial planning. The software is high quality because it was built on a foundation of logic rather than a series of guesses. Every button and every data path works the way it was intended because we took the time to visualize it first. This shows how the plan mode is not just a secondary feature, it's the heart of making sure the final product is professional and functional. To really understand the power of this structured plan-first approach, you have to see what happens when you turn Verdent loose on some truly creative concepts. It isn't just for corporate dashboards, it's a playground for high-level vibe coding. Imagine having a life coach session where Steve Jobs, Albert Einstein, and Elon Musk debate your latest business idea. We used Verdent to build an app where you can add any historical character to a digital roundtable. Because we used plan mode to map out the personality logic and debate flow first, the AI was able to generate a cohesive action plan based on their conflicting advice. It's like having a brainstorm with history's greatest minds, and the stability of the code means the conversation never breaks character. We also tackled hardware integration by building IceMind. You simply snap a photo of your groceries, and the app uses Google Gemini and Swift UI to detect food items and expiry dates. Verdent's canvas was essential here to visualize the digital fridge interface and the complex interactive animations. The workflow was absolutely insane. Moving from a messy photo upload to a polished animated inventory felt like magic because the data path was locked in during the planning phase. Finally, for the true tech enthusiasts, we built an LLM arena inside Verdent to stress test the latest heavy hitters like GPT 5.1, Claude 4.5, and Gemini 3.0 Pro. The challenge? Build a luxury interactive 3D Christmas tree using React and 3.js. This involved complex hand tracking. Making a fist forms the tree, while opening your hand explodes it into a galaxy of particles featuring your own photos. Seeing Verdent at this level proves that when you have a great blueprint, even the most ambitious ideas become functional reality. What we've seen so far is that Verdent AI is a powerful shift for developers who want the joy back to coding. Its plan mode provides the structure needed to build complex systems with actual confidence. If you want to stop fighting bugs and start building with clarity, we highly recommend giving this tool a try. Go ahead and explore it for your next project, and let us know how it changes your workflow. You'll get the links in the description below to get started. Try it out and bring back the joy of coding. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.